Hello, today in this video we'll take a look at how beef udon is made from my friend's order and also my order of chicken fried rice at F3 Festa in Vietnam.
Yes, same. You choose. This one we miss for you. No, this you choose.
Step 1, noodle.
Yeah, step one side, one roll rice, one main, three topping, and one sauce.
Okay.
Yes, very nice. Oh, and beef,
Broccoli,
broccoli,
onion, pineapple.
three.
Only 3? Son of a
Extra
gun.
5,000, sir.
Alright. Well,
Broccoli, onion, pineapple, thịt bò. What sauce? Step 3.
let's go with Hanoi sauce.
My friend liked his beef udon noodles a lot, and next let's take a look at how chicken fried rice is made. Thank you.
Rice.
Wow, thank you. The fried rice was very tasty and the broccoli was quite fresh. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks.